Welcome, everyone. Today we're looking at something really interesting we spotted over on AIagentstore.ai, our usual place for keeping up with AI agents. We're talking about a humanoid robot, the Unitree R1. And get this, it's light, relatively affordable, but it can apparently still do a backflip. Seems wild.
It really does, and it taps right into this crucial area of embodied AI. Basically, AI with a physical body interacting with the world. Developments here are moving fast.
Okay, so let's unpack this R1 a bit. It's described as ultra lightweight. We're talking around 25 kilograms, maybe 1.2 meters tall.
Which is quite compact, yeah.
And has 26 joints. That seems like a lot, allowing for, well, pretty complex movement, right?
Exactly. That joint count is key for mimicking human-like dexterity. And the affordability factor you mentioned, that's a big deal.
How so?
Well, it really lowers the barrier to entry. Suddenly, advanced robotics isn't just for massive labs. Universities, maybe smaller research groups, even developers. They can get their hands on this kind of tech.
So it sort of democratizes the research.
Precisely. It makes these embodied AI agents much more accessible. And its core capability, this multimodal AI, that's fascinating.
What does that mean exactly, multimodal?
It means it learns from different types of input simultaneously, so voice and vision. It processes both together, which is, much closer to how humans perceive things. It's not just seeing or just hearing, it's integrating them.
Right, okay. Now, here's where it got really interesting for me. The autonomy. I mean, a robot this light, doing handstands, recovering from, falls by itself. That sounds almost unbelievable. How does it manage that?
It is impressive. It comes down to really sophisticated dynamic movement control. Think real-time feedback from all its motors, constant balance adjustments. We've seen footage, right? It does cartwheels, it gets back up after falling over, all without anyone stepping in.
Yeah, I saw the backflip video. No hydraulics involved, apparently.
Correct. That's a significant technical feat. It shows really smooth, almost human-like motion, and a lot of that is likely achieved through reinforcement learning.
So it teaches itself, like trial and error.
Essentially, yes. Like a person learning to balance or walk. It tries things, learns what works, refines its movements constantly based on feedback from its sensors.
Okay, wow. My back hurts just thinking about doing a backflip. Seeing a robot do it so smoothly is something else.
It definitely is.
So thinking bigger picture then, who is this actually for? Who's using the Unitree R1 right now?
Primarily, it seems aimed at robotics researchers, students in related fields, and AI developers. People who need a physical platform for their work.
What kind of work specifically?
Things like AI research that needs humanoid mobility, testing out those multimodal perception systems we mentioned, developing what are called agentic behaviors where the robot acts autonomously, makes decisions based on its perception, combining that physical movement with its vision and maybe speech input, and even for, early stage prototyping of applications that rely heavily on movement.
Gotcha. So a real tool for pushing the boundaries in the lab or classroom. What about availability? If someone listening is thinking, I need this, what's the deal?
Well, it is a commercial product, so it's paid. And the code is closed source currently. Its main niche is definitely in robotics, education, and research sectors.
Okay. And people can find out more, maybe see what users think on the AI Agent Store site.
Yeah, AIagentstore.ai has more details, and often you can find community feedback there too, which gives you a good sense of real-world experiences.
So wrapping this up, the Unitree R1 seems like a pretty big step, an accessible yet highly capable humanoid robot platform. It feels like it could really accelerate things in embodied AI research.
Absolutely. And it leaves you wondering, doesn't it, with platforms like this becoming more affordable and available, what kind of new research, what new applications are going to become possible, things we might not even be imagining yet.
That's a great question to ponder. Definitely check out the Unitree R1 and other agents over at AIagentstore.ai if you want to explore more. Thanks for tuning in today, everyone. And as always, we appreciate you reading the show.